Hi students, welcome to chemistry class chapter 3 synthetic fibers and plastics. In your previous classes you could have studied about the natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk etc. which are obtained from plants or animals. In this class you are going to learn about synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. Synthetic fiber is a chain of small units joined together. Each small unit, we call it as monomer, is actually a chemical substance. Small units combine to form a large single unit called polymer. The word polymer comes from two Greek words. Poly means many and mer means part or unit. So, a polymer is made up of many repeating units. Polymers occurs in nature too. For example, cotton is a polymer of cellulose. Cellulose is made up of large number of glucose units. All the synthetic fibers are prepared by number of processes using raw materials of petroleum origin and are called petrochemicals. In this chapter, we are going to learn about different types of synthetic fibers like rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. You know that silk fiber obtained from silkworm was discovered in China and was kept as a closely guarded secret for a long time. Fabric obtained from silk fiber was very costly, but its beautiful texture fascinated everybody. So attempts were made to make silk artificially. Towards the end of 19th century, scientists were successful in obtaining fiber having properties similar to that of silk. The rayon, or otherwise called as artificial silk, is obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. Though rayon is obtained from natural source that is wood pulp, yet it is a man-made fiber. Rayon is cheaper than silk and can be woven like silk fibers. It can also be dyed in a wide variety of colors. Rayon mixed with cotton is used to make bed sheets. Rayon mixed with wool is used to make carpets. Let's learn in detail about the synthetic fiber nylon. Nylon is another man-made fiber. In 1931, it was made without using any natural raw material from either plant or animal source. Nylon was prepared from coal, water, and air. Nylon fiber was strong, elastic, lustrous, that is, it gives shiny appearance, light, and it's easy to wash. So it became very popular for making clothes. Articles which are made from nylon are socks, ropes, pens, toothbrush bristles, car seat belts, sleeping bags, curtains, etc. Nylon is also used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. Nylon thread is stronger than steel wire. We can prove this with the help of an activity. Take an iron stand with a clamp. Take a cotton thread of about 60 centimeter length. Tie it to the clamp so that it hangs freely from it as shown here. At the free end, suspend a pan so that weight can be placed in it. Add weight one by one till the thread breaks. Note down the total weight required to break the thread. This weight indicates the strength of the fiber. This activity can be repeated with the threads of wool, silk, and nylon. From the observation of this activity, we can infer that nylon is stronger than cotton, wool, and silk. Let's learn about another synthetic fiber, polyester. Polyester is actually made up of a repeating unit of chemical called an ester. Esters are the chemicals which has fruit smell. Fabrics are sold by the name like polycot, polywool, terrycot, etc. Terylene is a popular polyester. As the name suggests, these are made by mixing two types of fibers. Polycot is a mixture of polyester and cotton. Polywool is a mixture of polyester and wool. Terrycot is a mixture of terylene and cotton. Fabrics made from the fiber polyester does not get wrinkled easily. It remains crisp and it's easy to wash. So it's quite suitable for making dress material. Terylene can be drawn into very fine fibers that can be woven like any other yarn. You could have seen your mother always buys PET bottles and PET jars for storing rice and sugar. PET is a familiar form of polyester. It's used for making bottles, utensils, films, wires, and many other useful products. We wear sweaters and use shawls or blankets in the winter. Many of these are actually not made from natural wool, though they appear to resemble wool. These are prepared from another type of synthetic fiber called acrylic. The wool obtained from natural sources is quite expensive, whereas clothes made from acrylic are relatively cheap. They are available in a variety of colors. Synthetic fibers are more durable and affordable, which makes them more popular than natural fibers. Let's learn in detail about the characteristics of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers possess unique characteristics which make them more popular than natural fibers. Synthetic fibers dry up quickly, are durable, less expensive, readily available, and easy to maintain and easy to wash. Synthetic fibers are more affordable, which makes them more popular than natural fibers. Synthetic fibers available in variety of colors, does not get wrinkled easily, remains crisp. Synthetic fabrics soak less water and dry up quickly when compared with natural fabrics. Synthetic fabrics soak less water and take less time to dry than natural fabrics. We can prove this with an activity. Take two cloth pieces of the same size, one from natural fiber, the other could be synthetic fiber. Soak the pieces in different mugs, each containing the same amount of water. Take the pieces out of the containers after 5 minutes and spread them in the sun for a few minutes. Compare the volume of the water remaining in each container and compare the time taken to dry. From the observation made from this activity, we infer that synthetic fabrics soak less water and takes less time to dry than natural fabrics. Disadvantage of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers melt on heating. If the clothes catch fire, it can be disastrous. The fabric melts and sticks to the body of the person wearing it. We should therefore not wear synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen or in a laboratory. Today, you learnt about different types of synthetic fibers: rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic. Characteristics of synthetic fibers, disadvantage of synthetic fibers. Thank you.